1st of October 2021. This is Ruusulankatu, Ruusulankatu 17. But it's the staircase B, which is on the Ruusulankatu is on the side. Building number 3, staircase B.
This Asuntoskeittiö-Kamiankatu 3.
According to the old name.
Yeah.
This name of the street was changed to Ruusulankatu at some point.
Yeah.
I'm gonna check when it was done, when it was changed. Best these 3 purchases of 5 rooms, and look at this beautiful old drawing from 1909, November 1909, Helsingfors. Rival Lindqvist, the same architectural design, what is nowadays Hotel Roberts, for example.
Yeah.
And several others. So this is also his work. Maybe it was built in 1910 or so.
Yeah.
5 floors. And Seroji was edited in 1968, turning 55 years old in 2023. And the serial number is H15822. It will be inspected in the next year, 2022. Let's write it. There's 2 rights also.
Yeah.
And of course the CKC I have published before, so you can watch it also. I like the smell in here.
Same.
They did some additions in the 1960s.
Yeah.
In Kone, I think the ones from 1968 are the most beautiful ones from that year.
Yeah.
And also somewhere in Punavuori there's.
Expected parking lines maintained by Kone.
The occupied light. Okay, that's it. Thank you very much.
That's